Okay, so we all have a range of feelings that can mess up our calm. Sometimes it's feelings of anger, sometimes anxiety, sometimes confusion. And it goes up and down, right? The list goes on and on. So we are at our best when we are calm. When we are calm, we're nicer to others. When we're calm, we make choices that help create better opportunities for ourselves and others. So let's review 7 different ways that we can calm down. 1, listen to music. So think about what music helps you feel what way. The Beatles, George Strait, and Cannonball Adderley helps me get and stay calm. What helps you? 2, deep breaths. So you can do a deep breath incorrectly. The correct way is 5 seconds inhale, thinking about slowing yourself down, and then a 5-second exhale, thinking about letting go or taking a break from your frustration or worry or whatever it is that you're anxious about. Number 3, take space, walk away. So find a space away from the frustration or worry and give yourself time. Number 4, draw or write. So draw a picture, draw circles or figure eights that get bigger until you're calm, or just doodle. It could also be writing a letter about what you're frustrated about, or explaining your thoughts to whoever you're frustrated with. Or it could be just something you write and then you throw away just to try and get it out. Number 5, exercise. So this could be really simple: push-ups, going for a jog, going for a walk, doing squats, arm circles, whatever. Get your heart rate up. Get your mind off of the frustration. Give your brain a break and burn some energy. Number 6, seek gratitude. So think about something you're grateful or happy for. Write it down. Tell the person what you're thankful for, or just think about it. Start general and then get really, really specific. So instead of just saying, I'm grateful for my family, say, what specifically are you grateful for about your family? Who is it? What do they do? Let them know. It's really important that people know what you're grateful for. And number 7, self-talk. So encourage yourself with some positive words on how you can help yourself. Examples can range from, I can do this, to I'll get to this later, or I'm mad now, but we'll feel better later once I get some exercise. So just remind yourself of what you can do to try to help. Okay, call to action. Pick 3 of the strategies that we've talked about today and focus on them for the day and work on them. Remember, whatever we practice grows stronger. Have an excellent rest of the day.